Hello AKTek. I got this machine a couple of months ago. It's an amazing machine. I'm very satisfied. I was very terrified about getting such a big machine. This is my first time I have such a machine. This is a 122 by 244 meters. So it's a big one with ATC, automatic tool change. I have 8 like this. All my fears were gone as the technical support. Thank you, Kate, is excellent. Every time I have a question, I get an answer, and all the problems were solved. Everything was taught, and it's amazing. I also want to get thanks to Mr. Shin, sales manager, who was perfect in his service, really perfect. I very loved working with him. And Kate, thank you again. Bye.